10 ways to learn English easily. Learning English, like any language, can seem like a daunting task, but it doesn't have to be. Whether you're a beginner or looking to improve your fluency, there are many methods that can make learning English easier and more enjoyable. In this article, we'll explore 10 effective ways to master the English language in a way that feels natural and engaging. 1. Immerse yourself in the language. One of the best ways to learn English is by immersing yourself in it. Surround yourself with English as much as possible. You can start by watching English movies, TV shows, and YouTube videos, listening to English songs or podcasts, and reading books, newspapers, or websites in English. When you're exposed to the language regularly, it helps you internalize vocabulary and sentence structure naturally. The more you hear and see English, the easier it will be to understand and speak it. 2. Practice. Speaking with native speakers. Speaking with native speakers is a highly effective way to improve your English skills. You can find conversation partners through language exchange websites or apps such as HelloTalk, Tandem, or Speaky. Practicing with native speakers allows you to learn authentic pronunciation, slang, and expressions used in everyday life. It also helps you build confidence in using English in real conversations. Even if you're not fluent, don't be afraid to make mistakes. They're part of the learning process. 3. Use language learning apps. Language learning apps are a great way to learn English on the go. Apps like Duolingo, Babbel, Memrise, and Rosetta Stone are designed to help you improve vocabulary, grammar, and pronunciation in a fun and interactive way. These apps are structured in a way that helps you build your skills step by step, making learning more manageable. They also offer various levels and topics, allowing you to choose the content that suits your needs. 4. Set small, achievable goals. Learning a new language can feel overwhelming if you don't have a clear plan. Instead of aiming to learn English all at once, break your goal down into smaller, achievable tasks. For example, you might aim to learn 10 new words each day, write a short paragraph in English every week, or practice speaking for 15 minutes every day. Setting small goals gives you a sense of accomplishment and keeps you motivated throughout the learning process. 5. Build your vocabulary. Gradually. Building your vocabulary is essential when learning English, but it doesn't have to be a chore. Rather than trying to memorize long lists of words, focus on learning new words in context. When you encounter a new word while reading or listening, try to understand its meaning based on the context. Use it in sentences to reinforce your understanding. Flashcards, word lists, and vocabulary apps are also helpful tools for memorization and review. 6. Practice listening and pronunciation. Understanding spoken English and improving your pronunciation are key components of becoming fluent. Listening to English podcasts, audiobooks, or radio stations helps you get used to the speed and rhythm of native speakers. If you're struggling with pronunciation, consider using apps like ELSA Speak or practicing with speech recognition tools to get feedback. Repeating what you hear and trying to mimic the accent will help you improve your pronunciation and develop a more natural-sounding accent. 7. Read aloud to improve fluency. Reading aloud is an excellent way to improve both your fluency and pronunciation. It forces you to focus on word stress, intonation, and rhythm, which will help you sound more fluent when speaking. You can start with simple books or news articles and gradually increase the difficulty level as you improve. Reading aloud also helps reinforce vocabulary and grammar, making them stick in your memory more effectively. 8. Join an English learning group or class. Joining a group of fellow learners is a fantastic way to stay motivated and practice your English regularly. Many online platforms like Meetup offer language exchange groups where you can connect with others who are learning English. If you prefer more structured lessons, consider enrolling in an English class, either online or in person. A teacher can guide you through the learning process, correct your mistakes, and provide feedback on your progress. 9. Write in English every day. Writing in English every day helps reinforce what you've learned and improves your grammar and sentence structure. Start with simple sentences or diary entries and gradually challenge yourself with more complex writing tasks. You can keep a journal in English, write essays, or even start blogging. There are also many websites like Lang Correct, where native speakers can correct your writing and offer suggestions for improvement. 10. Stay consistent, patient, and motivated. Set realistic goals. Break your learning journey into small, achievable milestones. For example, aim to learn 5 new words daily, complete an English conversation practice each week, or watch an English video every day. Small, consistent efforts lead to significant progress over time. Establish a learning routine. Consistency is the foundation of success. Dedicate a fixed time each day for reading, speaking, listening, or writing in English. Whether it's 15 minutes or an hour, a structured routine helps reinforce learning and build long-term habits. Monitor your progress. Keep track of your improvements by maintaining a language journal, setting performance benchmarks, or using language learning apps. Reviewing your progress keeps you motivated and allows you to adjust your learning strategies if needed. Find inspiration and stay engaged. Surround yourself with English language content that interests you. Follow English-speaking influencers, listen to podcasts, watch movies, and engage in online communities. Being immersed in real-world usage makes learning enjoyable and effective. Embrace mistakes and keep practicing. Fear of making mistakes can slow down your progress. Instead, view errors as valuable learning opportunities. Every mistake brings you closer to fluency, so take risks, practice regularly, and stay patient with yourself. Conclusion: mastering English is a gradual process that requires persistence, motivation, and consistent exposure to the language. By integrating structured learning methods, immersing yourself in English-speaking environments, and maintaining a positive attitude, fluency becomes an achievable goal. Remember, progress may take time, but with dedication and the right strategies, you will continuously improve and gain confidence in your English communication skills. Stay patient, stay motivated, and enjoy the journey.